Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today I prepare very healthy and tasty banana stem recipe. So let's begin. So this is the portion of banana stem. Now remove the hardened part and use the soft and tender part. Now cut into thin slices like this. So it is ready. So next I have taken half cup of soya chunks, 2 medium sized potato, 1 medium sized sliced onion, ginger garlic paste and 2 bay leaves. So I already made the masala paste, adding half tablespoon turmeric, cumin, chili powder and garam masala, adding little bit water, then salt as required, half tablespoon black pepper and 3 tablespoon cooking oil. So now put oil to the hot kadhai. So first of all add slices of onion, bay leaf and saute it nicely until light brown in color. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute it nicely. Now add little bit black pepper powder. Then add masala paste. Mix it nicely. Adding little bit water and let it masala be nicely cooked. So masala is nicely cooked. Then add potato, soya chunks and mix it nicely. So now add banana stem slices. Then add salt and mix it nicely. And cover the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in a low medium flame. So after 10 to 15 minutes of cooking, banana stem is almost half cooked. Then add little bit more black pepper powder and cover it and cook for 5 minutes more. So now let's check it. So it is almost cooked. So if required, add little bit water and leave it for 2 minutes without covering. So our banana steam fry is ready. So friends, try this healthy and tasty banana stem recipe. It is rich in fibers and it is also helping in weight loss. I hope you will like this recipe. So see you in my another new recipe videos. Until then, stay healthy, take care, and bye bye.